Number one reason that we get called back on these is the shutoff. So there's two shutoffs on it.
Okay.
They're emergency stops. If it's shut off, it's designed to just kill all power to the unit. It grounds out the coil, shuts the whole unit down. There's one of them right here. So notice that we're in auto.
Okay.
And the light is green there. If I hit that switch to off, it goes to off here, and the light is red. Red light.
We don't like red lights.
There's one there. This one doesn't usually get hit. The one that always gets hit is this guy right here.
Okay.
You're out mowing the lawn. A raccoon looks for a warm place. You know, it happens a lot. If either one of those gets switched, you'll have to turn it back into on, and then you hit enter, off and enter to clear out the alarm. Then it will allow you to take it back into auto mode.
So if it goes
So
into
the switch gets hit.
Okay.
It says I'm stopped on shutdown. It's going to give you an error code associated with that, which is that 2800. Okay.
Yep.
The first step is to put it back in to on. Then you have to clear the alarm, and it tells you to push off and enter to clear the alarm. And now it's still in red because we haven't put it back into auto yet.
Auto.